Welcome to school.
This is our 5th year anniversary that we are planning. I'm looking for how to make it big. So, I've been thinking, you're a very good woman. You have been very good to me. You are nice, you're obedient. Before I even come back from work, food is ready. So I've been thinking of how to pay you back. You are good. So I want to go out with you. I want you to choose any way of your choice that will go and spend this 50th anniversary. Because you have been a very nice woman to me. You don't complain when there's no money. You are very, you are faithful. You are obedient. You don't give me problem. Any way of your choice. Just name it.
Tatiana.
No.
Villa Park.
Villa Park? You like Villa Park?
Yeah.
Consider it done.
Oh, baby.
We will go to Villa Park. I will pay for 2 weeks in their hotel. We will sleep there. 2 weeks. Just me and you. So that the children will not disturb us. 2 weeks. You will have fun. You will know me.
I love you.
No, there's no problem.
Good day, sir.
Good day.
Is Brother Roland around?
Roland?
Yeah.
No, Roland. Honey, Roland has gone to work now.
He just left.
Roland has gone to work.
You can be prosecuted for that.
Sir, you stay here?
Yes, I stay here. Do I know you before?
You know it's been over like 2 weeks now. I've not seen you. You don't remember me? I mean, they manage that corner now. I'm the manager of the Ashawo corner that is there now.
Ashawo corner.
What? I've been not be you again.
Honey, who is this man? Do you know him before?
You're not asking me.
Like this. Not be you be a barrier.
Nah, me.
Now. You remember last month when we do customer of the month? Now you not be you. You are our customer of the year now for last month now. See, I don't get fresh one. Fresh young girl from Okwale. If you see them.
Okay, shut up, Joe. What are you saying? Are you mad? Do you know this young man? How can somebody just come to my house and be saying something that I don't understand? Eh? What is all this now?
Now me be the manager. You forget when I give you two babes last week. Those fresh one you order. The guests even come back. They can't even dash me 10K. Say you treat them well. You forget me.
Aya, come out from my house. Get out of my house. Get out of my house. Be back.
What?
Anima.
Funke!
Baby, where are you going to? It has not got into this now. Baby, see me. But you 6 months ago.
School to